All right, we're gonna talk about solar panels. So I feel like solar panels are becoming a little bit more common, right? Hey there, this is Christina Sparks, realtor with Real Broker, owner, House of Sparks. Okay, so we're talking solar panels. There's a few things that I've learned over the years that I kind of want to throw out there if you are considering purchasing or even selling a property with solar panels. All right, so I've got three things to think about slash consider. The first thing, most of the time, the solar panels are not included in the sale price of the home. If you're looking at a property that has solar panels, just know that the cost of those panels most likely is not included in the sale price. And the reason for that brings me to number two, they have to be financed separately. Most of the time when people order, pay for, have installed solar panels, they are paying a third party, a separate company. They're not adding it to their mortgage. So they finance $20,000, $30,000 through this company, have their solar installed, and make payments. So when they go to sell that house, the new buyer has to qualify for both the home loan list price and the second financing for the solar panels. There are some instances where solar panels are paid off at closing and you can kind of roll that into the list price. So it can be worked out different ways, but it is something that you need to think about as far as the financing part. All right, number three. I have not personally experienced this in a deal myself. I've heard rumors, I've seen stories, on the internet and stuff. But number three, it can void your roof warranty. I don't know how true it is. I don't know. I just don't know. With this particular point, I would recommend reaching out to whoever installed your roof, maybe did repairs, maybe a person that you would use to replace your roof should you ever do that in the near future. Definitely look into that as part of the process. So I hope you learned something about solar panels today. And just remember, if you're thinking about buying or selling a property with solar panels, just think about these things, try to plan accordingly in advance to avoid chaos during a real estate transaction. Have questions? Feel free to reach out. I'm happy to help any way that I can. Have a great day.